We all know that for a business to succeed, it needs to satisfy clearly identified customer needs. Let's discuss where we see the unmet need in the wealth management in the GCC region and how the GWM platform satisfies these customer needs. Broadly speaking, there are two categories of investors in the Gulf region. One, who has little time or financial expertise and wants an investment manager to look after his financial portfolio, commonly known in the industry as a discretionary portfolio client. And a second that has the time, inclination, some knowledge of financial matters, and wants to invest and manage his financial portfolio himself, commonly known as a self-directed investor. Only a small proportion of those in the first category have access to what they want because discretionary portfolio services are only available to the rich with a minimum investable asset of $1 million. For the self-directed investors, there is no digital platform in the GCC region that can provide convenient, customer-friendly, and cost-effective access to international investment opportunities. So, how would the GWM platform address the shortcomings in the market? For the first category of investors, the GWM platform will make available online discretionary wealth management services to those with smaller sums to invest. Let me explain what we at GWM mean by online discretionary wealth management. First, using our digital platform, the investors will decide their investment objectives, establish their risk profile, and their investment horizon. Second, based on this information, the platform will instantly develop for them a recommended portfolio of financial assets, including equities, bonds, commodities, and alternative assets. There will be clear recommendations with respect to geographical diversification. Once the investment is made, GWM will adjust the client's investment portfolio on a monthly basis in light of the changing business environment. And GWM will submit regular portfolio reports to the clients. In other words, GWM will provide the full package of discretionary portfolio services to smaller investors that are currently only available to the rich through private banking. The customer buying experience and convenience at the GWM platform will be comparable with international benchmarks, and the costs for investors will be lower because the business model does not require regional offices and expensive private bankers as intermediaries between the asset managers and the investors. For the self-directed investors, whether high net worth or smaller investors, GWM will launch the first digital investment supermarket in the GCC region that will offer a full range of international investment opportunities at a noticeably lower cost than what is available in the GCC region today. As you can see, the GWM platform offering discretionary portfolio services and an investment supermarket satisfies clearly identified customer needs that remain unsatisfied at the moment.
Central to GWM's success will be the strategic alliances that will exist with over 80 to 100 different local brokerage and investment firms that are based in each of the 6 GCC member countries. These alliances will take the form of formal long-term marketing agreements that will enable the GWM investment platform to be made available to their large client base instantly. Our core target private client market in the GCC region consists of approximately 1.1 million individuals. It is through the strategic alliances that we will begin to access the approximately 8 million accounts that are currently serviced by these brokerage firms, and therefore reach our core target client base cost effectively. Since a significant majority of our target customers are already clients of these brokerage firms, and most of these firms do not at present offer any international wealth management services to their clients, the alliances will enable them to offer international asset management services for the first time. As these services will be provided on a jointly branded revenue sharing basis, this will be a win-win proposition for both parties. We will gain a customer base, and the brokerage firms will add a new product, creating incremental revenue at no incremental cost for them. In addition to this, we plan to acquire new customers through a concerted direct marketing campaign using social media, sophisticated internet marketing, and by targeting customers' smartphones. In addition, and to reinforce the strategic alliances, we are looking to have an ownership structure where the key business partner brokerage firms, as well as many investor users of the platform, will own a significant majority of the company. We see this as a very positive way to get full commitment from our strategic partners and key investors among the user group, and as a result, a very positive impact on the platform usage. To achieve this, and within months of the business launch, we intend to conduct an IPO on the QE venture market to gain an enhanced market profile and to use the IPO marketing campaign to target affluent investors to become shareholders and users of the platform prior to the business launch. The alliance partner brokerage firms will be offered confirmed allocations for pre-IPO equity stakes to develop a sense of joint ownership.